Hey, this is Grace. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give a thumb and make sure to subscribe. Today I'm gonna introduce this BONOSS Forge FT cooling wheel spacer for Lexus. Let's go. FT cooling. The bed of spacer has specially petal-shaped grooves. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold air flow efficiently and continuously inside the spacer, while cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacer safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. The most important thing that is the production cost of FT cooling technique is almost the same as common spacers, so that the customer is scarcely need to pay extra for this. BONOSS wheel spacers have more functions, high performance, and friendly price. That is the reason why BONOSS become the choice of many customers. Forge. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers with using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform the intended driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Nuts and studs. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nuts use 40 chrome material. By continuously forging process, they have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud uses SCM 440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The main advantages include high tensile strength, strong techniques, better wear resistance, and higher fatigue strength. Logo. These wheel spacers and wheel bolts are manufactured by BONOSS factory. Quality is guaranteed, customer interests are protected, and BONOSS assumes quality responsibility. Customized. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides ODM too. If you need BONOSS Lexus wheel spacers with special techniques, or bolt pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacers is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special techniques, 3mm to 160mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheels adapter. The thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to you. CNC. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. SGS and TUV. BONOSS has completed past more than 66 RS standards SGS TUV test reports and achieved excellent results. Warranty. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. Hub-centric. Installing the Hub-centric wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage Hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. Knurling design. The knurling design can expand the side which can heat dissipation contact area, so that it can contact more external cold air, enhance the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal strength of machining. Besides, upgrading the performance, strength, and durability of the wheel spacers. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the spacers and make the spacers become safer, higher performance, and have a better installation experience. This is the reason why BONOSS insists on independent manufacturing and continuously optimization of a design. In addition to practical functions, there is a sense of art. Disassembly grooves. Designed with disassembly grooves, easy to remove and install, improved work efficiency. Black hot anodized. The wheel spacer's surface is black hot anodized, making them more durable and corrosion resistant, longer survive life. Full cone lug seat. Compared to part cone seat, greater force area and safer. How to measure the thickness of wheel spacers you need? Using a ruler, place it on the outmost part of the rim where the wheel comes close to the fender. Then this distance is the thickness that can achieve the look that flush or nearly flush with the fender. Quick check authenticity. Customers in chest protect. If you want to buy these Lexus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.